I bought this car in August 2014. This is Maruti Suzuki Ertiga VDI, which is a diesel run car. It is comfortable as well as value for money because it has all the features like middle seat. You can adjust the seat. You can take it front and rear, and this is a rear AC vent as well. It does have a very good space on the middle seat and the last seat, because the middle seat you can adjust the seat, as I already told. So that creates a lot of space for the rear seat as well. High speed, I usually don't run it on a very high speed, but yes, if you take it to like 120, 130, this car is very comfortable. It creates a lot of grip on the ground, so braking is not a problem as such. AC in the middle row is a very good feature of the car, because in summers in Delhi, it gets a lot of heat in the summer. So obviously, if you have a middle row AC vent, that makes more sense. The pickup, basically the power as such, because if you need a lot of RPM to drag it, especially in the traffic. If it's on the highway, you don't feel that the lack of power. But yes, if you're driving it in city, you usually need to put in a high RPM to get the real speed of the car. Not much, around 7 to 8K per service, which is like in every 10,000 kilometers. Plastic trims, if we talk about the car, plastic trim is okay, like the dashboard is perfectly fine, but the colors, the interior colors is not very matching to the car quality. It's a very old and something which is like, you really don't like it. You need to spend money on the interiors, because you need to get like new car seat covers so that you can put the car in a perfect condition. So these are the main reasons that I'm putting it. You can easily put it down 60-40 ratio as well. So in terms of boot space, there's so much space that you need to create. But that option is there in the car, so that makes complete sense. If you are going on a long trip, holidays, you can easily put in a lot of luggage in the car. Ground clearance, I believe it's 185 mm, so which is very good, especially if you are driving in the hills and on a muddy way. The ground clearance is good enough to take you through the passage. It is, especially in the kind of size that the car has, as compared to the space or the size that this car has, it's easy to maneuver and park the car as compared to other variants in the same segment. I would recommend it because definitely it's a complete value for money, the kind of features that this car has, and I will rate it like 7 out of 10 because of the power issues that I usually face in the city traffic.